Just for fun, I asked ChatGPT to list the top 10 mistakes humans make when replacing tires. And what ChatGPT came up with is incredibly accurate, but with a few exceptions. So let's look at what ChatGPT thinks of us as humans today as we talk tires. Now remember, my question was about mistakes that humans make. But later on, I asked what mistakes women make when choosing tires and what mistakes men make. And I'll let you know what ChatGPT thought about men and women later on in this video. So let's get started. So the number one mistake humans make when replacing tires, according to ChatGPT, is choosing the wrong tire size. Now this one's kind of basic. I think we would all agree that the right size is critical. But maybe ChatGPT thinks that humans aren't that smart after all and that the basics need to be covered. That said, I know that some people do make this mistake, especially when they're buying tires online or maybe they're buying something secondhand. So really tire size is important. Number two, neglecting the climate. So ChatGPT says that you need to think about things like snow tires if you live in an area where you get snow. Again, I agree, and maybe we can add, if ChatGPT understands how important winter tires are in the parts of North America where we get lots of snow, how come some humans still don't get it? How come they don't understand the benefits of winter tires? Number three, ignoring the tire's load capacity. Now, ChatGPT explains that your tires should be able to support the weight of your vehicle and all the stuff that you carry in it, and that overloading your tires can lead to a blowout or tire failure. Now, this is a really good bit of advice. So many people forget that two tires can be the same size, but they can have very different load ratings. So I totally agree with ChatGPT on this one. Number four, focusing solely on price. So ChatGPT acknowledges that humans want to save money when purchasing tires, but then it explains that focusing solely on price can lead to the purchase of subpar tires that may not last as long as you'd think. And again, I agree with this one. Number five, not checking for wear and tear. I'm not going to give ChatGPT full marks for this one. It's telling humans that before we purchase new tires, we need to inspect our current tires for wear and tear. Why? Because this can be an indication of alignment or suspension problems. Now, I agree with that completely, but I would hope that we as humans are doing this regularly and not just every few years when we're buying new tires. So good point, but really we should be doing more than that. Number six, not researching the tire brand. ChatGPT explains that different tire brands have varying quality levels and that it's essential to do your research before purchasing a tire brand that you are unfamiliar with. Couldn't agree more. Before you buy a tire you've never heard of, do a bit of research to find out more about it. That's a no-brainer. Number seven, disregarding the speed rating. Here again, I'm not giving ChatGPT full marks for this one, although I agree with the fact that you need to pay attention to the speed rating of your tires. ChatGPT falls short in explaining why that's important. According to ChatGPT, your tires must be able to handle the speed that your vehicle is capable of traveling. Now, I agree, but speed ratings aren't about how fast you want to go. So speed ratings, ChatGPT, is about handling and performance. And maybe ChatGPT, you can watch my video about tire speed ratings. I'll link to it below just to make it easy for you to find ChatGPT. Number eight, not considering your driving habits. So ChatGPT says that our driving habits play a significant role in the type of tires that we should purchase. For example, if we frequently drive on rough terrain, we may want to consider purchasing all-terrain tires. Now, this one's a no-brainer. I agree that it's an important consideration, but I don't think too many humans are making this mistake. In other words, I don't think too many Tesla owners or Porsche owners are putting all-terrain tires on their vehicles. Well, except in this one instance, which is covered in another one of my videos. I'll link that one below as well. Number nine, not consulting a professional. And this is good advice from ChatGPT. If you're unsure of the type of tires you should purchase, it is always best to consult with a professional. Good point, ChatGPT. I would add, make sure you subscribe to Jack Talks Tires too. That would be better advice, ChatGPT. Number 10, not considering the noise level. Now that's another good bit of advice. ChatGPT reminds humans that some tires are louder than others, and if noise level is a concern for you, it's important to choose a quieter option. Now I know for a fact that noise levels are a big deal for electric car owners as well as luxury car owners. For some reason, both those types of people have very sensitive ears. Neither one of them likes noise. Now remember, I also asked which mistakes women make when buying tires, as well as which mistakes men make when buying tires. And the response I got was, well, it was pretty much politically correct. ChatGPT said that these mistakes are not specific to women or men and can be made by anyone, regardless of gender. Now, if you don't agree, or if you have a funny story to share, maybe your spouse bought tires and they were way off, please do so in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to laugh with you. Now, if you're wondering if you even need new tires in the first place, should you be shopping for them? I mean, do you even need them, or will the old ones do? Check out the video here. As always, thanks for watching.